morning, Bexleyheath Academy. I hope you are well. It is Wednesday, the 20th of May. Wednesday is often known as the hump day, the day that is hard, the peak of the week. But by the end of the day, you have broken the back of that week. You're on the easy slide down to the weekend, which of course should be absolutely glorious out there. So let's look forward to that. We are a few minutes late starting, but for positive reasons, which I will explain now. It is, of course, Thank a Teacher Day. Now, we have a staff meeting each morning where we get the whole of the staff together, all your teachers, all your support staff, all your office staff, everyone is together online, and we do a meeting a lot like this one. Now, something that you guys have been particularly working up towards is being Thank a Teacher Day. Now, it has been a very special morning to be able to sit and watch those teachers being thanked, those teachers receiving their thanks, those teachers having their moment of recognition. And if you remember early on in the week, I talked about how a simple thank you, a kindness gesture can go a huge way forward in making someone's day. And I absolutely guarantee there are teachers and staff across the academy this morning that have got that little smile in their face this morning because you took the time out to send a short message, a little thank you to those teachers. So to return, I thank you. Thank you ever so much for doing that this morning. It has made a huge difference to someone's day, and I'm absolutely confident the hump day is not going to be a problem for a lot of our teachers this morning. Now, we have got loads on this morning in today's assembly. I will pop back later. However, I'm going to pass you over to Miss Ayling, who's going to talk about Mental Awareness Week. Miss Ayling, over to you.
Thank you. Good morning, Bexleyheath. Okay, so as you know, this is Mental Health Awareness Week, and we've been focusing on acts of kindness from both ourselves and others. And today, like it's already been said, it's really exciting because today's message is Thank a Teacher Day. And it really is exciting and it's so appreciated. I've had the pleasure of reading lots of the messages already being posted, and they're absolutely fantastic and so heartfelt. And I can honestly, I'm speaking on behalf of probably all the staff members I know that have just so appreciated them words of appreciation, and it just goes such a long way. So thank you very, very much. And have a great day. And be kind. And I'll now have the pleasure in passing over to Miss Fenwick from our English department. Thank you.
Hello, Bexleyheath. So as Ms Townsend said yesterday, we're going to be reading pieces from the Orwell competition this week. And I have the pleasure this morning of reading from Sophie Sullivan's Year 9 poem. And it is called Respect Others and the World. And it's particularly appropriate as it's Mental Health Awareness Week. So, we want a world where it is fair. We don't want the world to break and tear. We want a world to respect one another. Respect is easy to use. Just ask your mother. It is easy to give and easy to take. Not only that, it's easy to make. Some people get treated ever so bad. Does that not make you slightly sad? Some people feel in inadequate places. Imagine seeing their mortified faces. Respect is kind and simple to use. Imagine how you would feel in other people's shoes. Respect isn't only used to humans. You should respect the world you live in too. What's the need to litter? Why are you now feeling bitter? Are you the one not showing respect? We only have one world. It's not just an object. Thank you to the ones who love and care. Thank you for the respect that you have had there. It is easy to give and easy to take. Not only that, it's easy to make. Some people get treated ever so bad. Does that not make you feel slightly sad? Do you want to live in a world like that? Not having fun, just sat at the back? Just respect others the way you want to be treated. Then your respect target will be completed. Respect is free, no money is needed. When you use it, you will feel like you have succeeded. It's easy to learn and kind to use. Respect can be used anywhere. There is no excuse. Thank you for listening to my respect speech. I know it's a poem, but I want to teach. Now I have said everything I want to say. Please use respect sometime today. I hope my message is simple and clear. Respect others and the world, not just today, but every year. So on that lovely note, I'm going to hand over to Mr. Courtney, who is going to do some teacher shout outs on this Thank a Teacher Day.
And just to change the schedule, Mr. Courtney is now turned into Mr. Waters. Over to you, Mr. Waters.
I will do my best. No, I won't. Absolutely won't. I won't do him that disservice. I was rude enough to him yesterday. I've got some teacher shout outs. I'm really impressed with this. You know that your teachers are looking out for you during your classroom time, and they're very much keeping a close eye on the work that you've done. So I have the following from Key Stage 3. I have Alfie, Ava, Charlie, Ella, Hanneke, Jacqueline, Joshua, Katie, Nora, Lucas, Riyadh, Savani, Saranas, and Vinny. All of those have come from your humanities classroom with Mr. Reevil. The reasoning put excellent effort into your history class. Of particular note this week was your consistent effort on classwork and the high checkout scores. Well done, guys. That's impressive. Moving up to year 10, I have a shout out that's been put there by Miss Morrison. Ronnie in year 10, well done for your consistent effort in trying hard, even when the technology is against you. Well done, Ronnie. That's genuinely impressive. Moving over to sports and a nomination from Miss Presney. Hannah and Lottie, both in year 10. Outstanding effort and work produced this week in your sports lessons. So well done, guys. This moves on to Leo, Megan, Liam, Tabitha from the science department, particularly Mr. Karma and Mr. Watson, who would like to recognise your outstanding effort this week in your learning. Well done, guys. That's really good. I'd like to pass you back over to Miss Luther now, who I'm confident will take you on to the next stage. Thanks, guys.
Guys, what is a day without a birthday? And today we've got a few birthdays coming up. Remember, when we're celebrating our birthdays, I know the sun is shining, but we're going to celebrate at home. Again, I keep talking about 2-minute party. It will go down in the history books as something special to take place on your birthdays very soon. So the first birthday shout out is for Sam in year 10. Happy 15th birthday to you. Then it's Henry in year 13. Happy 18th birthday. What a big birthday is for you. Remember, staying home, 2-minute party, whatever app you're going to use, but again, making sure we stay home and we stay safe. The next birthday is for Jack in year 9. Happy 14th birthday to you. Now, guys, birthdays, I want to make sure that everyone's celebrating, but we're celebrating safely and at home. Now, Mr. K has actually passed on his fun fact of the day to me. And actually, I was quite amazed by this. Now, if I asked you the question, what is the most spoken language in the world? What would you say? I think, yeah, I thought the same exactly. I know you're thinking English must be the most spoken language across the world. And actually, you know what? I'll give you the figure. That's 1 billion people in the world speak English. So that's 1 in 7 people in the world speak English. However, that's not the most spoken language in the world. It's actually Mandarin, guys. So Mandarin is the most spoken language in the world with 1.1 billion people speaking it across the world. So something quite interesting for you to think about today. The closing message for myself is, guys, we are going to stay home. We're going to make sure that we wash our hands. We're going to make sure that we keep fit and healthy. So making sure you do your wow sessions or taking that walk. But if we're outside, we're going to make sure we adhere to the 2-meter rule of social distancing. Have a lovely day, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Goodbye.